Welcome. Today we are diving into a fundamental concept in statistics, between group variation. This is essentially about understanding how and why different groups of data differ from one another. When we look at any dataset, there is variation. Numbers are spread out. We call this total variation. To make sense of it, we split it into two parts. First, the variation inside the groups, which we often treat as noise or error. Second, the variation between the groups, which is what we are focusing on today. This is often called the explained variation. Let's visualize this. Imagine we have three distinct groups, like Group A, B, and C shown here. Each group has its own distribution curve and its own average, or mean. The distance between these centers is what we are interested in. If these centers were all on top of each other, there would be no between-group variation. To measure these differences mathematically, we need a reference point. We calculate the grand mean. This is simply the average of every single data point we collected, regardless of which group it belongs to. Think of it as the center of gravity for the entire experiment. Now we measure the distance. Between-group variation is defined by how far each individual group's mean stands apart from that central grand mean. If a group mean is far away, it contributes a lot to the variation. If it sits right on the grand mean, it contributes nothing. Here is the formula for the sum of squares between, or SSB, for each group. We take the difference between its mean and the grand mean, and we square it. Crucially, we then multiply that result by the number of items in that group, denoted by n sub j. Finally, we sum these values up for all groups. Why do we do this? Think of it as separating signal from noise. The between-group variation is the signal. It tells us if our categories or treatments are actually doing something different. The within-group variation is just the noise or random scatter of the data. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine we test 3 fertilizers. The control group grows 10 centimeters, fertilizer A grows 18, and fertilizer B grows 25. Because these averages are very different, the between-group variation will be high. This tells us the fertilizer choice likely matters. This concept is the engine behind analysis of variance, or ANOVA. We compare the between-group variation to the within-group variation. If the top number, the differences between groups, is much bigger than the bottom number, the random noise, we get a high F-statistic, proving the groups are statistically different. To wrap up, remember that total variation splits into between and within parts. Between-group variation looks strictly at the differences among group means relative to the grand mean. It is our measure of explained variation, or the signal in our data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.